Hey guys, welcome to Jordan Sunshine Sports. Today I'm going to be going on a bike ride, so make sure you guys get out there with me. And I'm going to be biking. It's raining out here, it's pretty stormy, but there's no thunder and there's no lightning, so I'm going to be riding to the beach, and you guys can walk with me, you guys can bike with me, you guys can run with me. Make sure you get out there and do something today, because this is going to be fun. So let's go. It's a nice, beautiful day in the neighborhood. No hands. I can do no hands on a bicycle. I can do no hands on a bicycle. Run. Run. It's like running. Using no hands on a bicycle. I just ran over something. That caused me bumping turbulence. Turbulence! My brakes are very tight. I need to adjust them. No! Ah! Guys, I stayed back, but now my mission is to catch them. Alright, we're gonna go see a back trail that's really cool. I don't know if it'll be flooded because of the hurricane, but I like going here on my bikes and on my runs, and even just for fun when I'm down here fishing. This is a cool trail to go to. Oh, there's a lot of debris. It's flooded. But go! Ah, through the water! That's a shaky trail. Alright, more water. Oh my gosh, that one got deeper. Alright. So, up here it transfers over to a dock. Last time I came here, the water level was pretty low. Oh wow, look. The entire dock is flooded up here. A test subject, Tyson.
Test subject Tyson, coming in hot.
Tyson's crazy.
I hope I don't drop you guys.
The entire dock is flooded.
It's all flooded. You used to be able to walk here, and you usually had like a foot to where the water was. From the dock to the water, it was like a foot. But check that out. There's like,
now it's like a foot of water on the dock.
yeah, a foot of water on the dock. Dang.
Should we ride over to you guys in the water?
So guys, this is Jordan's thing today. He's trying to, oh, never mind. He went straight for it on the gang. Oh, and Mariah went straight for it on the gang. Wow. And they're stuck over there. I have to go over now. Oh. Made it. Guys, we are on our own private island now. We said we'd go to an island, and now we're here.
Alright guys, it's my turn. I don't like the sound of this, but I did it before. Now I just have you guys along for the ride. That's a heavy burden for me to carry. I'm just kidding. It's quite light, because you guys are the GoPro.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Let's go, guys. I'm gonna take you guys through. Alright, so that was just our cool little trail. Now we're gonna get back on our way to the beach.
No!
Yes! Tyson dropped his candy bar. Yes.
Do not run my bar over, Jordan. No.
I missed. Don't worry, I didn't run over Tyson's bar. I pretended like I did. No injury was sustained to the bar. Poor Tyson, he lost his bar. Guys, we're about to come up on a bridge, and I'm gonna show you guys the water level on that bridge. So,
Don't rash me over.
the water level on the bridge is the water under the bridge is rising super high. It's actually connected. This is where the canals go to the intercoastal, and then the intercoastal from here leads to the ocean. So I'm gonna take a moment to stop and show you guys. So if you look over here, it's all flooded. All these docks and stuff. That I've been fishing down there. The water is usually like 2-3 feet below that edge right there, and now it's above the edge 2-3 feet. The water's just like rising, coming up, is getting up there. Tyson, you're a crazy dude, man.
Oh, yeah. Look at my dog, baby.
Tyson's crazy. We're about to go up on a bridge. We're about to go up on a bridge, guys. It's entirely a bridge.
Perfect.
I'm going faster and faster. Dang, I'm going pretty fast. I feel like I'm on an electric bike again. Oh my gosh, I'm zooming! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Slow down, it's the breeze. That was pretty wild. So, behind me you can see the beach. We biked all the way here in the rain. It started raining a lot at the end. And anyway, we just made it here. So, check out those waves, man. Those waves are just crazy. Like, the hurricane is making those waves do crazy things. Make sure you guys leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay strong and spread sunshine.